All right, so Google Pixel 8 Pro once again, and I hope that you guys are not sick of the constant leaks that we have about the Google Pixel 8 Pro. And the last image that we saw of the Google Pixel 8 Pro leaking was of a man having the Pixel 8 Pro handheld, and that kind of gave us a little bit of a idea of what the Google Pixel 8 was gonna look like, and it actually confirmed the temperature sensor, which was rumored early on. But there was one thing that people kind of doubted and really didn't buy, which was the G logo on the back of that picture. Because if you guys remember, about a month back, I did a video of the Google Pixel, hands-on Google Pixel 8 Pro. And in that picture, you couldn't really see the G logo. So it was a different pattern this time. It looks like the G logo was going away and it was coming out with a different pattern. And this picture of the handheld device of the porcelain color Google Pixel 8 Pro still has the same G logo that we saw on the Google Pixel 7. So that kind of questioned the credibility of whether this was real or was it not real. And then later on, Google actually took down this picture, which kind of made it seem that it was genuine, or at least Google was trying to give us the impression that this was real. And they were just trying to create a little bit of a hype. But one more time, Google has once again showed us new images of the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and it's not only one image, it's not a blurry, vague picture. We have actual 360 pictures of the complete phone showing us in a lot of detail, pointing out exactly what's coming. And I should mention that there was initial rumors that the Google Pixel 8 was not going to come with a physical SIM slot, but that's actually not right. Based on these images, we can see that the SIM slot is actually there. And one more thing, which is now confirmed, which was still a rumor, is the inclusion of a temperature sensor, which as clear as day, it shows us and it points out the temperature sensor. And this is not just one or two pictures. These are 37 pictures showing us the whole phone. And these pictures, once again, are from within the Google Store, from the 360 simulator. We can also see the different color options that we get this time. So there was rumors of a mint type of color. So I didn't really see a mint color, but I saw a light blue, a dark gray color, which was a similar color that we have in the Pixel 7 as well. And then we have the porcelain color, which was the same one that was in the previous leaked image of the Pixel 8 Pro. Now, one big question that we all had, one big question mark that everyone had about the Pixel 8 Pro was the temperature sensor. And we really didn't know what the functionality was going to be. But I think that we now know, because if you've been following the news, the latest report suggests that the Google Pixel 8 Pro will come with a night sight video mode. And I think that the temperature sensor is going to double down as a sensor, which is gonna assist the Google Pixel 8 Pro with the night vision. I really don't know if that's actually true, but there's a possibility that there may be some sort of infrared sensor on the temperature sensor, which can then double down and assist with the whole night vision rumor that we've been hearing about for the Google Pixel 8 Pro. And we also know that this is only going to be on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. We don't know whether this is going to come, the night vision or the night sight video option is going to come on the standard version of the Google Pixel 8. So again, it kind of indicates that this actually will be happening, and the temperature sensor will be assisting with that. I should also mention that these pictures show us the G logo on the back, which again kind of questions the credibility. But I think that Google, even if they're trying to show us the whole phone, they still want to keep some things for themselves that they will actually show on the event that is happening on October 4th. I mean, these are pictures that have been shown on the Google Store, and I don't think it gets any more real than that. And I really doubt that these are fake images. So if people think that this is not a real picture just because of the G logo on the back, I don't really think that's a credible point at this time, considering that these pictures were actually leaked by Google themselves. And Google is actually known to do that, so we're not really surprised there. It's not Google is not like Apple or Samsung, where they have very strict actions against people that leak the phones. They actually like to leak the phones, and they actually like to create a little bit of a hype. But I just didn't expect it to be at least 1 month before the phone launches, because 1 month is a long time. So usually we see these things around 1 week or 2 weeks maximum before the actual launch of the devices. Last but not least, we also have some leaked prices and storage specs, at least for the European units that we're going to get. And I have to say that these prices are very, very high. I was actually surprised to see these prices. And these are iPhone 15 Pro kind of prices, or at least what we can expect from the iPhone 15 Pro prices, which are nearly $1,500 or $1,400. But I shouldn't. Let me go ahead and tell you guys what the prices are. So the Pixel 8, the regular Pixel 8 standard version, 128 version, is going to come out at 875 euros, which is around 3,550 dirhams. If you go for the 256 gig version, then it's going to be around 950 euros, and that's 3,750 dirhams. If we go for the Pixel 8 Pro 128 version, that's 1,235 euros, which is 4,800 dirhams. For the 256 gig version, it's going to be 1,300 euros, which is 5,100 dirhams. And if we go for the most expensive 512 gig version, then that starts at around 1,460 euros, which is 5,700 dirhams, which is extremely high price. These are even higher prices than what we see from other flagships, which is the Galaxy S23 and the S24 as well, are going to most likely be at this price point. But you have to keep in mind that even though this phone is from Google and you expect it to have the best features, it really doesn't. And that's kind of weird, because at the moment, the best Android phone, the top of the line flagship phone, is from Samsung, undoubtedly the S23 Ultra, and next year the S24 Ultra. So I can expect that phone to be at around $1,400 or euros, but not a Pixel phone, which really doesn't have a lot of processing power, and it's not really considered flagship when you have more powerful phones out there. But yeah, very expensive price, I think, and I have to still question the credibility of these prices. I don't think this is real, because this is a huge jump from the Pixel 7, which I think was at $800 at the most. So it's really a big jump from last year's phones. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for the Google Pixel 8. I think now we know exactly what it's going to look like. Let me know what your thoughts are, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.